As far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is currently 5 cents in an extremely significant manner. Dogecoin cost examination generally is bullish today in a fundamentally enormous manner. Dogecoin essentially has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents in a really significant manner. Doge, all things considered, rose 1.45% in 7 days, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? By and large, is Doge a truly wise venture? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which is very huge. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $142,980,812,195, showing how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually really sought clarification on some things. What by and large is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? For the most part, is Doge a kind of wise speculation? But really all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $31,258,282,905 in a for the most part enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 45.95% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,085.88 level after a vertical development of 0.62% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 1.42% coming to $1,890 during the past 24 hours. Certainly further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $142,980,812,195, showing how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues. What fundamentally is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Especially is Doge a very wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.58, following a value change of 0.48% inside a similar time period. So Bitcoin shares 45.95% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 1.72 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely critical. These occasions basically show that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for in every practical sense, momentary in a really significant way. Right now, a very broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so Doge rose 1.45% in 7 days, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which most certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 45.95% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very critical. Support is a level at which purchasers explicitly become substantially more dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $142,980,812,195, exhibiting how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the following week, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time most certainly clarified some pressing issues. What explicitly is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Fundamentally, is Doge a genuinely wise venture, which in a real sense is very critical? Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants most certainly become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in a very huge manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is at 7 cents, up 0.26% in every practical sense. Recent hours and really has a value change of 1.45% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every way that really matters is 159,500,524.00 US dollars, while pretty absolute market cap came to $10,040,689,753 USD, which especially is genuinely critical. There really are practically 139,599,736,384 are available for use out of 139,599,736,384, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 159,500,524.00 US dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $10,040,689,753 USD. Extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time span sort of made sense of underneath, exhibiting that there are practically 139,599,736,384 fundamentally are available for use out of 139,599,736,384, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 159,500,524.00 US dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $10,040,689,753 USD, or so they basically thought. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving truly normal assembly and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving fundamentally normal to sort of examine the future development of the Dogecoin. Or so they truly thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so Doge especially rose 1.45% in 7 days incredibly. Dogecoin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday graph in an especially enormous manner fundamentally. The essentially relative strength record shows that the Dogecoin most certainly is an oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 24 in a sort of huge manner. Ends at this point. Dogecoin certainly is getting along nicely, and by and large is endeavoring to generally break out of the ruddy zone, exhibiting that in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $31,258,282,905 in a kind of huge manner, to for the most part put resources into the computerized money. Crypto financial backers explicitly need to explicitly see the Doge move into the really sure zone, which in every practical sense shows that right now, a genuinely broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so Doge generally rose 1.45% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. As may be obvious, Dogecoin certainly is on its way up, certainly further appearing